Is it okay 10 times? Can we have okay 10 times? Okay 10 times. Can we have an okay 10 times? Okay 10 times. Right. Welcome all of you back. Uh, Hold on. Hi. Welcome all of you all for an free and also an in-class session of ours. Um, did I? Kazana. இது அதுதானே நினைச்சேன் நினைச்சேன் நினைச்சேன். Okay. So which paper are you doing? Okay, we are doing A level 2023 paper. Ma. I hope you got the paper in the group, no? Very good. Okay, you are joining for the classroom without doing the paper. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, nice. Anyone else? Anyone else to go through in there? Tawina the okay, couple of people are joining. Right. The session is being recorded. It is in YouTube, no? So completely fine. Recording කරන්න ඕනේ නැනේ. There is a light below. Okay. එතකොට තමයි ලියන එක පේන්නේ. But night අඩිචි කන්න නම් පොට්ටේ ආවර level ලීගිද. Okay. So do we need to do the paper? No need, ma. You don't need to do the paper. Just we'll have a chat in there today. Like it's going to be a fun chat. Okay, telling about life. How can you fail in life? How can you get humiliated by people? How can you be lazy by doing nothing? We'll talk about life. That's good, no? Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Welcome, everyone, and assalamu alaikum to all of y'all. Okay, we are meeting back again with a past paper discussion of and Python series. Okay, this session is completely free. Anyone can join, and also this session's recording will be uploaded in YouTube, which you can check it at any time in there. Now, I am planning to do this session on every week or once in a week basis of covering up at least around 5 to 6 years of past paper question related with Python. So classified past paper questions related with Python we will be discussing in there. Among them, 2023 Python question, the most difficult among all of the years that we have done it, especially because that time they have asked a complete file handling question. The answers are very simple, but then understanding that you have to do this question is huge. So again, I'll tell it, Shal, this session is not mainly focusing for you guys to get on with the answers and go through. I don't want to do that. I want you to understand how this answer came. Mehima marugrot ai varadi. Okay, why can't we take it like this? Kila might be here to do it. So this session will go till 2 hours or 3 hours. I don't know how many hours it will go through, but hopefully, I think you guys who wants to stay, who will wants to stay, can join with us and go throughout in there. Right. So, okay. Let us begin with the couple of questions. So I will be discussing only the 2023 paper. Okay, I also uploaded a small classified PDF of that paper, which is from our tute itself. So I'll be discussing the A-level 2023 paper throughout, in and out, from 7 MCQ questions. First, we'll go through the MCQ questions. It was one complete part two question එකක් we will be also discussing. There was a question in the which section කියලා ගත්තොත් I think it's in the structure base, but ඒක පොඩි simple question එකක් තමයි අහලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay, but the fun interesting part is in the part 2. Okay, part 2 එකට එනකොට we'll discuss in there. Okay, I hope you guys have gone it. So let's begin. So A-level 2023 put in the A-level 2023 paper. Among that A-level 2023 paper, we will be going through on the Python sessions. Good. Yesterday's session covered join Vela Tibbut. You might have okay checked it out. I was scolding all you guys like nothing. Harak vidire bad number okay, those who are not working hard. Right. So let's begin. Okay, question number one. I don't want to waste much time. Let's go through with questions on and off. We'll have a small discussion in there. Okay, W is equal to A percentage B plus C divided by A minus B. A percentage B plus C, okay, divided by A minus B. In order to do this answer, first you need to know what are the operators available. This is a question based on an operator where they have given different operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. So you have to get family in there, and then you have to know the operator precision rules also, right? So the first thing is here we have this percentage. This percentage is known as modular division. It's a form of a division which divides and display the remainder. So it will divide and give you the remainder. This is known as a flow division. Flow division. It's also a type of a division which divides the number and give you the whole value or the integer value. Integer representation. So these are two forms of division. Okay, one divides the value and gives the remainder. The other one, okay, divides the value and display the whole number. Okay, let's replace it. You can't do this question with A and B, C. They have already given the values. A is 10, so 10 percentage. B is 4 plus C is 7 divided by A, that is 10 minus 4. So now when you have multiple operators, the first thing you have to pick it up is going to be the operator procedure rules. Among all of those, the highest okay priority will be given for brackets. Okay, brackets will be the higher. We call those as please excuse my dear auntie Sumaya. Okay, parentheses, multiplication, excuse exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So among that, this one will be done. 10 minus 4 is 6. You will have division 7 plus we have this division also. So we'll perform that division on one side so that you will have it 10 percentage 4. So you have a division here, you have a division here. So if you take it on the procedures, please excuse my dear Auntie Sumaya. Parentheses, brackets, exponent, power, my, that's going to be multiplication, division, and addition. So we have division in here. So division will be placed in there. 10 divided by 4, what is my remainder? I have 10 marbles. I'm giving 4 each. 4, 8. So I have a remainder of 2. So this will give you 2 plus 7 divided by 6. You will have 1 point something. Okay, that means 1 point something in there. Just take one. That's it. And your final answer will be 3. Okay. Don't ask me question. Make තේරුන්නේ කියලා තේරුන්නේ නැත්නම් වෙන question එකක් කරගන්න එච්චරයි. Okay, මේක තේරුන්නේ නැත්නම් ඔයාලට දන්නේ නැහැ. Modular division දන්නේ නැහැ, flow division දන්නේ නැහැ. එච්චරයි. Okay, තේරුන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කතන්දරයක් නැහැ. You don't know. That's it. Okay. Simple. Can't spoon feed especially 24 badge அம்மா. Okay, உங்க செட்டுக்கு இன்னவானே 24 வந்து நல்லாவே பபா டைகர் ஹுக்கும் නෙමෙයි බබා හුකුම් වෙලා තියෙන ඔක්කොම 24 batch especially all of you guys. Okay, because one student asked me, correct no Shasna? One student asked me a question, said that what do you know what? So IP addressing, does it comes on the networking cellular? Is that so? These days we are going on practicals, okay, especially in our Kandy classes. People who are from Colombo or else nearby Colombo, you all also can join our practicals. We have planned to schedule in there. Result equal func 1, 3, comma, 3, comma. Okay, again 2, comma 4. So this is the second question you're supposed to go through. How is the countdown, sir? Okay, IP addressing, is it in networking? Sorry, IP addressing, is it in Python? In which section in Python have they asked? Okay. Yeah. The student who is going to do the exam in another 5 months. Okay. They have asked it. Now, we are moving on to the next one. Question number 2. That's going to be under functions. Number 1, function is an inactive code. If you call it, it will execute. For an example, when we did the function section, okay, I was doing on shofan. Okay, shofan tangam wangapa. So shofan is the function name. Tangam is the parameter. Shofan tangam wangale when mama is very cool. Okay, some kind of problem happened. Okay, mama got to know Shaffan's love scene or everything. Okay, so mama is like Shaffan, Vada Naye. Oh, oh my god. So Shaffan is the function called the Vada Naye thing. Naye thing. Okay, and if you come across in there, that is okay, we call it as a parameter. How you call it. So every function, that is this function, if you come across, has something called as parameters. We call them as parameters in the, we call it as parameters. So function is like a mind map. You put dots and finish the code. That's easy. Okay. So if you come across in there, these two code completely will be inactive. Okay. May code decamavilla, it will be inactive. Def function 1 will be inactive. Def function 2 will be inactive at the moment. It will return a plus b. It will return a into b. So here comes our main thing. What is this part? Result equal killian. It's a variable. Okay. It's a variable. We have a variable here. This variable, this function 1 killian, you are calling Shaffan Tangam. Shaffan. Understood? No? Yeah. So this is we call it as function call. So it calls by sending two values in there. Calling the function the we call it as a parameter. Okay, so all the girls are getting upset. Okay, if I tease Shaffan in there, I don't know why. Okay, right. So it calls by sending 3 and it calls by sending 3. So A will become 3. Do you all understand? Function 1, check the arrow. We play it by roadmaps. Very easy. Function 1 call karna by telling 2 words. Can you all tell me, okay, how would a mama or else how would we can call Shafan in 2 words? Okay, can you all tell me, okay, of calling Shafan in 2 words? Okay, Wada, nae, something like that. That's 2 word in there. Okay, anonymous, that's a 3 word anonymous. Anonymous Akil, okay, that's a 3 word. We need 2 words only, 2 words. Okay, anonymous Akil, that's anonymous வந்து தெரியுமா? There is a movie called Pokiri. Have you seen? Okay, that movie படத்துல மேலே சங்கி மங்கி வச்சு இவன் கொண்டே உண்டு. Okay, அது பேரை மட்டும் தான் மாத்தால் அதே தான். So can you tell me? Okay, calling Shafan in 2 words. Haifa says, okay, teddy bear. Okay, nice, Haifa, nice. Okay, Candy, Mr. Candy. Okay, Shafan, Mr. Candy. Yeah, right. Come across in there. Handy boy. Okay, Shafan, handy boy. something like that. Okay, we come across in there. So two words within call karna. Very good, Shabit, but I can't tell that word. Okay, something like that. Okay, hi-fi saying playboy. I didn't tell. Okay, I'm just okay. I'm just a communicator. Nice. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so function number one. Okay, okay. Sends two values. One is 3, and second one is a function call again. Seriously, it calls another function. So it sends two value, but the second value is a function call, another function. We call this one as a recursive function. Very interesting. Adapi practicals kara. Superb interesting in there because it can rotate, like loop pe kakko agita na meka mehetigila loop pe. So now you have to call him. Function 2, you are sending whom and whom? 2 and 4. So this 2 will come here. This 4 will come here. Did you all understand this? See, check the roadmap. So function 2 call karna by sending 2 and 4. And can you tell me what will be the return value of that function? What will be the return value of that function? You're saying 2 and 4, that will give you 2 into 4, that's 8. Correct? Am I correct? Yeah, it will give you 8. So this will return to this. Balanda tirnadikela. It would return in there. So this function 2 sends 2 and 4. May 2 and 4 will go to this function because you're calling the function at the moment. When you call that function at the moment in here by sending 2 and 4, this A and B will be replaced with 2 and 4 here. So this will become 2, this will become 4. 2 into 4 will give you how much? 8. So this 8 will be replaced in this place. So that will go to that B value. Now, what is the value of A and B in function number 1? That is 3 and 8. That is 3 and 8. Okay. Return A plus B. This will return A plus B to whom? To this results. It's like a roadmap. Python function is simple as a roadmap in there. It will return. So it will return how much? 11. So the answer for that question is 11. Okay. Python finished. We are starting databases from next week. Okay. Yeah. Database management system. We are starting from next week. They're not interesting. Gamma the work harder. Haifa, you should not say like that, Haifa. So how can I get the Python recordings? You drop a message to our admin. First, you study this, will you? Okay, we'll see the recordings and data. Bye. Non-7 increase. So whether the DBMS tute is not yet available. But we have the old tute, but I don't want to give it. I'm changing the tute. So it will take around 1 or 2 weeks. Okay. I have to do the cost feed and do it. Okay. My boy. Okay, then completed. Completed. Palande tirnadikila. Doubt at tinonang ahande. Okay. Question number 1 and question number 2. We have people who are from Colombo can also join our practical. This time I'm planning to now the lab practicals are the cost are really, really high. Okay. I was able to get a lab practical quotation at Gatta for 1 day, 8 hours, 70 computers in an institute. Okay. They were charging me around 400,000. Okay. including the labs and projectors and everything in there. Another institute charging around 250,000. Now I can't be charging that amount from students, so I have to also put it in money because I'm doing it in Kandy also. Colombo is really expensive. So then I was able to get an institute called as a Horizon Campus. Okay, Horizon Campus Villa. I'm able to get the labs for a low rate. Okay, these days that talk is only going on. So thought of giving you all transport from Colombo to Malabe and Malabe to Colombo again. So those who are doing on practical. So practicals will be open for everyone. Those who wants to study, they can come and join with us. Practical fee will be very low. Okay, around 1,000 whole day. It will be from 8 to 6 or something. Okay, 8 to 6 वगैरह. So එහෙම තමයි plan කරන්නේ. One whole day, full day practical. So you will have an 8 hours of practicals. So we will have around 6 coordinators. We will be shifting times and we will be doing practicals. We all don't have any break. Okay, code කරගෙන යන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Other teachers, others people, you might have not seen. Okay, we put an effort. We put an exact effort in. Kandy, we did it for 3 slots. Kandy, tunakata kadala, 3 hour, 4 hours, 3 hour slots, tunakkara. So they are taking around 9 hours. So they did the day 2 today. Monday they are doing the day 3. Other functions kara. Mush. Okay, mush is that. Okay, yeah. Mush. Okay, I know mush. Musha. Okay, next one. The plan in Dehiwala, I'm just going, okay, taking it off. Okay, Dehiwala ki niyan cost එක වැඩි. Dehiwala around 200,000 to 220 no. Cost for one day. 220. Okay. So planning to do it something 220,000 aparad then suddenly. Okay, let's see. Let us go through the next question. Then we have the question number. Okay. If y'all have any questions, you drop a message. I do check your messages. Okay, what is the answer of this code? Again, it's a function definition. Any idea what is the answer of the code? Any idea what is the answer of the code? That's hello. Yeah, that's hello. But then we know the answer, but how do you take it? Okay, the answer is hello. Let's see how do you take the values in there. කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා බලමු. So can we try Python question in the Python interpreter? If you're supposed to do Python question in the Python interpreter, where can you do else? Okay, he කරන්නද වෙන කොහෙද කරන්නද? Okay, so second line එකේ word කියලා එන්නේ. World, world. Thank you pa. World ne. World or word? Hello world, no? Yeah. Okay, let's see how to do this question. Now, in this question, we have a define function. Okay, it's a definition, define. You are creating the def define. It's a function definition. Okay. Moreover, finding the answer, we have to identify the other component. How can you decode it? That's what this session is mainly for. But the answer is in don't know, I would have given the scheme. Decoding is the most important part. So definition, what is this? This is the function name. Every function has its own name. What are these? These are parameters, the values that you send it in there. Like a roadmap, I send it. These words are code hitande, but these are like X, Y, Z, temp, RAM, and words. Input string plus equal word. Let's decode this. What is this plus equal? These are known as assignment operators. In assignment operators, if I write X plus equal 1, kila kiwat, this is equal to X plus 1. This is equal to X plus 1. Okay. If they have said X plus equal 1 kila kiwat, the expanded version is X plus equal 1. So therefore, in this, what is my expanded version? That is input string equal input string plus word. Right. So at the moment, the code will be inactive. Okay. The code will be basically inactive. A code it will be basically inactive. Why? Because someone has to call. So they have assigned text equal to hello. Can you tell me this text, is it what type of a variable? Is it a global variable or a local variable? We have two types of variables. A variable assigned in the main program, global. A variable assigned inside a function, local. Is it a global or local? It's a global variable. How do you know it? Because it's outside. See, indentation එළිය. This is a local variable. This is a local variable. So you have text equal hello, modify string equal text. So you send this command here. So in modify string, you're calling this function. We call it as a function call. You're calling the function again, Shofwan Thangam, something like that. Shofwan Thangam. So that Thangam is the Thangata and the Abdi we keep it here, placing it here. What happened here? Input string equal input string plus world. What is input string? Hello. So what will be the value of input string? That will be hello plus world. So you will have hello. There is no space as far, it will be hello world. It will become hello world. Sabar. And then it will convert the value. This will print. Will it print anything? No, it doesn't print anything. If you just call it, it changes the value. That's it. If you call it, just turns the value in. HRI. Okay. Man, switch up all of that. It won't print or it won't shout and tell anything in there. So simply you call the function by sending the value hello, and then input string will become hello world. Okay. But then next line they're saying print text. Okay. එතකොට මේ code එක අදාළම නැති code එකක්. Seriously. Okay. Nothing is happening in this code. It's simply printing the value of text. Because text, we don't change anything, no? Did I change the value of text? Nah. I changed the value of input string. Okay. I call the function called modify string. But then it's basically for confused people like you. You will put some other answer. So the answer for that question is hello. So can outsiders join for practical? Planning to do it, ma. We'll see. I'll give the provenance for my students first. Okay, labs are free both. Most probably. පුළුවන් වෙයි ඔයගලන්ට. මෙච්චර මේකටද? Exactly. Allah Dehiwala. Okay. இதெல்லாம் இவ்வளோ எஸ். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 3. Worth it. Worth it, bro. Exact. Okay. Nice. Any questions, doubts? Don't be like an don't be a puppet and just copy down this. Scold yourself not for not doing this homework. If you have already planned to join this session, you should have done it. I have sent the papers yesterday. Do you know what is the time I sent you all the papers? Around 3 o'clock or something. Okay, I slept around 3:30 and then woke up at 4 o'clock and had a practical from 7 o'clock onwards. Okay, almost slept in the saloon only. Okay, went to the saloon. There were like two people, and then I was sleeping in the saloon only. So online students can't join. Can ma anyone can come. So you send at 12:45. Yeah, other messages okay 4 o'clock kuna. Yeah, around 4 o'clock, four kuna to sleep. Was doing all the works and stuff. Then okay. The real people who are doing Python are waiting for the last section. இதெல்லாம் வந்து சப்ப மேட்டர். So இதெல்லாம் okay. ஜுஜுபி section சார் போங்க சார் அடுத்த செக்ஷனுக்கு. Shall I raise it? Exactly. Guys, did you all get Eid gifts? You all are still considered as a kid, da? I don't know. Okay, but you all don't do any kids work. That's a different thing. But Shafan Tangam, Tangam, கிடைச்சிச்சா உங்களுக்கு என்ன சரி? Tangam, Tangam. Haifa, don't tell like that, ma. Power, no, Shafan. So, original list. It should be new underscore list equal. எதுக்கு தாண்டா செய்யறானு இது சரி விளங்குது இல்ல. தங்கம், ஷஃபான் தங்கம், did you get any gift? மறுபடியுமா சார்? Original underscore list dot append 6. Still kids to parents. Yeah, you all are still kids, but do all the adult work only. Okay, you all do all sorts of adult work, and now you are telling kids only. So this question only from A part. Shasna, don't ask questions more. You are the one who confused me like nothing. You are the one who asked no Python, IP addressing. நான் வேற புடிச்சுக்கொள்ள தான் இருந்தேன். Ah, so I don't even do a kid work. So please reply, are you confused? What to reply, Raja? Okay, shall we? என்னத்தம்மா ரிப்ளை பண்ண சொல்றீங்க? Raja, you ask from Shafan, okay? He will help everyone, okay? Right. Original list, a variable that has equal, okay, and you do have two box bracket, and that is known as a list. A small backstory about list. List allows you to collect multiple entries. List can have duplicates. Lists are indexed. Lists are made using concatenation. Lists are mutable. List can change. Lists are mutable. Okay. And then list can have any number of values, and lists are normally contain duplicates. New list is another variable. Dot original list, that is this. Dot copy. Copy is where it's a function that allows you to copy for a new list. Okay, it will copy for a new list. So now new list also will have the same data. New list dot clear kile whatever you have entered. So we'll say like this. If you clear it, it becomes empty. Ada go, Ada Rama. What the hell is banding? Okay, so make a villa, it will become empty. That's what it says. Original list dot append kilikene join. You can use three things. Append use karanda puluang, insert use karanda puluang. Append here you put the number value or whatever the x value. Insert take a villa, you say the index comma value. So append will add at the end of append will add at the end of the list. Add at the end of list. Insert can be customized and insert wherever you wish. Okay, for an example, in a classroom, okay, you append kilakina, you go and sit in the last row. You insert kilakina, you go and sit with your friends. So you can add wherever. So this is the index. May index. So for an example, okay, if I say insert 5 comma ICT, what will happen? The word ICT will be added in the fifth index. What is the fifth index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth index is this. Fifth index. Okay. So you can join, So that is the index. So this will add 6 it. So what will happen to your final answer? You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then append will add at the end, no? So 6. Print original text, that is this. Another print kilikan, it will print in the new line. Another print kilikan, you will print in the new line. This way. So the answer for that question is fourth one. Answer for that question is fourth one. Insert, append, and extend. Extend. This will join two lists together, insert, append, and extend. So will you do flip flops after this? I'm planning to do flip flops on Saturday. We'll see. Okay, planning to do some flip flop sessions on Saturday. Uh if you don't use the word copy, what do you mean by that? I didn't get you, ma. X will come at the end. No? Yeah. X, the value will come at the end of one. Okay. Three ways: extend, insert, and append. Pop will remove. Thank you, Shamha. I appreciate your concern, ma. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. போதும் டான்ஸ் வந்துட்டுடா நீ என்னடா இன்னும் டைப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க அனோனிமஸ் டேட்டா வேணும் உனக்கு ஓகே யா அனோனிமஸ் எனி ப்ராப்ளம் ஷாலினி அவன் தானே செஞ்சுட்டிருக்கிறான் ஆன்சர் நீ எந்தக்கு நடுவில் ஓகே எனி ப்ராப்ளம் ஷாலினி so if it comes as copy won't it be double print the variables copy के लिए क्या ना you print the value copy the values of this into this yeah, it will double print लेकिन copy வேணும் एक आत add देना since my list doesn't have anything, it won't be going through. uh, what is the long chat is going on? Shalini always having problems. Nice word. So last, can you say how to study the theory part because it doesn't go into my mind. Okay, so should we show the working? அதே கொஸ்டின் தான் போய் நினைக்குதா டேய் அவனை கொஞ்சம் நிறுத்துங்கடா யாராவது சரி oh yeah doing MC so I don't know what நிறுத்துங்கடா அவனை so when doing file handling you are go in detail right yeah I will be going in detail எங்களுக்குள்ள கூவுது அவகன்னா yeah Shamama yeah, as if you have taken everything correct here okay any others there was a question asked from one student regarding, sir, if we If you use copy, for an example, okay, what if the original new list has a value already? What if new list has this number and you write this command? What will happen? Okay, new list has 1 comma 3. Okay, and then you are typing this code. Okay, new list has 1 comma 3 and you're typing original list dot copy. Can you guess me what will be the answer afterwards? Will it be 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 3, or will it be 1 3 1 2 3 4 5, or will it be 1 2 3 4 5? Any idea what it be? Meata. Now at the in this question we doesn't have anything. Okay, it's not about doing that MCQ only. It's all about, okay, uh targeting the upcoming questions also. No, meata me wage tibbot. Okay, and you use this command copy kila keyword. Okay, what would happen for the value? It will copy the exact list, which means it will replace it in there. It will replace. Okay, it will replace in it. I'll do it and show it all also. Yeah, will completely replace, hold on. Okay, that bugger will get replaced. Put back in the uh, yeah, it will be replaced. Now, for an example, let's see. My list is equal to 1 comma 3. Original list is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, I wanted to do my list dot copy. I wanted to do the code as my list equals to I'll say original list. Guys, can you see the screen? Vinoni? Yeah, dot copy. Okay, my list is equal to original list dot copy. I want to see what is my list. What has happened? It has been completely replaced. Then what if, sir, I wanted to join both? Okay. May then nama join karandonna. Like for an example, I have here 1 comma 3. I wanted to add 1 3 and also in there. So what I can say in that way? Ehemanang, I can say something called my list dot extend the original list. Onaya original list. What will happen? It will get extended. So 1 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Append magulak na. Append is only for one value, no. This is for list. தெரிஞ்சது உண்ட வச்சுட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் அதே தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு append is for one value, single values, and it also goes to end of the value. Yeah, you can use append and do it also, no problem. Append but append ke it will come as another list. ඒක වෙනම list එකක් විතර එනවා. යා ඒක නම් ප්‍රශ්නේ. My list dot append එයා වෙන list එකක් sub list එකක් විතර ගන්නවා යා. Original list. Ah, see, he will take it as a sub list. Easier. See, he will take it as a sub list. Okay. It won't join. So if you want to join something, you have to use this. Write whatever you want. It's up to you. So we can copy. Okay. Okay. And up here, the question is, standing for around 3 to 4 hours. A simple question for you. Okay. Yeah. So I wanted to send you. Okay. If you have around 24 hours to live, if you have two wishes, what are those two wishes? It will be. You'll have only 24 hours to live. Copy means it will copy two times exactly. Copy the exact list. You'll have only 24 hours and you'll have two wishes. What are those two? What are the wishes you come across? You have only. What is the purpose of the question? Content. Pa. Okay. Content. Taking screenshots and uploading it to all your parents. Nice, no? What are the wishes you would have? Until I write the question, you'll just send me the answers. නැත්නම් මේ නිකන් මාවනේ බලාගෙන ඉන්න උඹලා වැඩක් නැහැනේ. Do something useful. Simply say, okay, nice, nice, nice. Hold on. I'm just getting into. So go to Madina, get buried there. Okay, learn with Maestro. Max in Moon. இது வந்து எங்கட அனோனிமஸ் தான். அனோனிமஸ் ஏத்தா இது. இது அனோனிமஸ் ஏத்தா. அவன் பேரை மட்டும் மாத்தி மாத்தி வாரா. ஆளை மட்டும் okay, அது anonymous ஏத்தான். Okay, wish to see my தம்பி and take care of my mama as a queen. Ma, that 2 days is enough. See, okay. What else? What else? I wish to grow taller. It will never happen, ma. You deserve to die. You deserve to die. Yeah. Make my parents happy life. Okay. Make sure all my sins are forgiven. I have knowingly and unknowingly being with my parents. Repent the sins I have done. Travel all over the world. Ask forgiveness from Allah. Go to Medina. Try to fly. Sir, நீங்க சொல்லுங்களே. அங்கதான் நிக்குது. Hurry. Shall we discuss it? I wish to be settled in Kandy. Slap Shaffan. Why? Why is it Haifa? Why? Yeah, why? Shaffan. ஹைஃபாக்கு என்னவா பிரச்சனை இது இன்னைக்கு? Okay. Okay. Right. I'll also tell, okay. So I wish everyone lives happily. ரொம்ப முக்கியம். நீ செஞ்ச பாத்துக்கெல்லாம் அடுத்த ஆகலாம் வைக்கிறதுக்கு. Okay, nice. Okay, shall we do it? Okay. Okay, next one. How many asterisk does the code goes on? Number the couple of things to identify. This is a while loop. We call it as a repetition we come across in there, which keep on repeating again and again. Whatever the things indented will be repeated. Whatever the things indented will be repeated. Okay, right. While is a loop which repeats couple of statement again and again and again. Whatever the things inside this will get repeated. over number of times. So when to repeat and how many number of times to repeat? It repeats, it ends. The code repeats if it's true. The code ends if it's false. Okay? It repeats if it's true. It ends if it's false. Okay? Again, while is a repetition which repeats number of statements again and again. It repeats if it's true. It ends if it's false. Okay? Right. I, while, then I do have 7. Is I greater than 0? Yes. It gets repeated. What is I minus 3? What is this code is all about? That is I equal I minus 3. I equal I minus 3. What is I minus 3? 7 minus 3 is 4. Right? So this gets updated. Print asterisk. Right? I'm here. Is I less than 2? Yes or no? 4, is it less than 2? Nah. Nah, puti. So let's go for while. Print that asterisk. Okay? Do you understand the first line? Balamu, I is 7, done. Is I greater than 0? Yes. If it's yes, it gets repeated while loop. Okay. I minus equal 3 I equal I minus 3. I is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So I will become 4. Print this star mark. Is 4 less than 2? No. Else not, you will come here, print asterisk. That is this. The code doesn't end because you have to go up again. When you go up again, what is the value of I? Is I greater than 4? Yes. Okay. What is the next one? I minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Print asterisk. Is 1 less than 2? Is 1 less than 2? Mushbu. Kushbu, Mushbu, is 1 less than 2? Yes. Emunot, the code, okay, forcefully shut down. The code forcefully shut down. Okay. My code metering him. Whether is yes or no, it doesn't matter. If it comes in a break, it forcefully shut down. It's like, okay, right? It's like when in a relationship, when one of the person after a long time they say, hey, we are fighting all the time. Why not we can't take a break? After the break, we might love each other. Hayo, 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 hayo. Okay, yeah. After the break, we'll get back to each other. So sad. එහෙම කියලා නැද්ද? අහලා බලන්න. ළඟදිම කැඩෙයි. High five, you will get to know it. Season you don't know. Side effect of okay. Where is this anonymous? Anonymous, we need your attendance. So how many times this it repeated? 3 times, Baba. 3 times, Baba. Baba, listen, Baba. See here, Baba. 3 times, Baba. Ah, how to find yes means repeat and no means end. The conditions. This condition we can find, no? I is 4 is greater than 0. Yes. Max moon. Max moon. Max moon. I know. What is the word you have done? வேற இன்னோவேட்டிவ் பேர்லாம் வரான்டா இவன். ஏன் பிடிக்கணும் ஆளை பிடிச்சி ஒரு இன்னோவேட்டிவ் பேர்ல வரான். ஆளை மாத்தினாலும் கொண்டே மாட்டான் இல்லாத மாதிரி. Okay, done. No. Okay, very good. Guys, I have missed the chat. Did anything interesting went on? I heard Shafan was asking apologies from everyone. Hope you all have finished. Done. Shall we go for the next one? Any other questions, doubts? Okay. The answer for this? Three. Three times. Third one is not the answer. Three times. What is the answer? Hopefully, we are call up. We are Bala in report from Otaria. Second one is the answer, pa. Ma three said ma. She'll put three. Second one is the answer. The will the jump part comes for exam. You jump in the will. Okay, yeah, it will come. It will come. Okay. If you get it in there, you jump in the will. Tafan, I'm just waiting for another function call question so that I can like call Thangam, Shafan Thangam. Say, you didn't do any motivational advices today? Helappa. Motivational எல்லாம் தார அளவுக்கு தெம்பில் அது போட்டு அதை எடிட் பண்ணி ஸ்டேட்டஸ் போட்டு அதை லைக் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு நல்லா இவனுக்கு படிச்சு கொடுத்தா ஓகே and nowadays no motivation for கிளிம்ப பயந்து நம்மளோட okay. Next question. Which of the following data structure among dictionary, list, and tuple in a Python could be used to store a collection of key and a value? Key and value will only come, okay, inside what's key colon value will come inside what's dictionaries. It will come only inside dictionaries. It will come only with dictionaries. Okay. Next one. Okay. Shall we discuss this answer? Couple of things. What is it? I did it, Mashood, I did the session and the list up. I think it's available in YouTube also. In detail, dictionary list and tuple. Okay, so shall we see how this code is going to be? Minna make avilla, it is a for loop. Okay, for loop knows number of times to repeat. So it's a form of a repetition. The form of that repetition knows the number of times. Is it 10 times? Or is it 20 times? Or is it 30 times? Or is it 100 times the kila? Okay, it knows in there. Hold on, ma. I'll just change the marker and come soon. Exactly knows the number of times to repeat it in there. So if you say for I in range, I will be assigned as a variable. What will happen? I will be assigned as a variable, and that variable will be assigned the values in that range. So this is a count, a range count. This counter has two parameters. The first parameter, the starting value. The last parameter is the ending value. One of the speciality of a for loop is you don't need to say the starting value always. If you don't say the starting value, for will by default take it as 0. For an example, in this example, if I say for I in range 4 kilocuvolt, if I have not, okay, for I in range 4 kilocuvolt, I have not set the starting value. This defines the ending value. So I will initiate from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. It will go 4 times. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's the speciality of a for loop. For loop doesn't need a starting value. Therefore, it will always end -1. Since it always starts with 0, by default, for loop will end -1. So, so can you tell me the range of I then? I'm starting from 1, goes till 4. Now, what is the range of I? I ke range, what will be the value of I? The range of I will be 1, 2, 3. Agreed. Okay, it will be 1, 2, 3. It won't go for 4. How does it? Okay. When I becomes 1, when I becomes 1, it goes into a loop. When I becomes 1, it goes into a loop. That's you come here, right? This loop also goes in the range from 1 to I plus 1. So can you tell me what is the value of I? What is the value of I? That's 1. When I becomes 1, this j goes in the range from 1 to I plus 1. What is 1 to I plus 1? What do you mean by 1 to I plus 1? I plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 to 2 when it will be repeated. Thank you. Okay. It will be repeated from 1 to 2. That means, can you tell me the range? 1 to 4 kilogene, 1 to 3, 1 to 2 kilogene? 1 to 2 kilogene? Only 1. Did you all understand this? When I become 1, j will only be 1. Okay? When I become 1, you come inside the j. J kata 1 comma I plus 1. When I becomes 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 1 comma 2. We always know end -1. So only 1. How did they? Inside this j into I. What do you mean by the word j into I? multiply. So the output would be 1. What is this print? Join outputs with a space. It would join output with a space. Mea ivarai. Mea ivarunama. It will not repeat again because J only repeat it once, no? So mea ivarunama, you come here. What is this print? It's a space. So you print it below. Okay, you print it below. One print, this print will always try to join. This print will always try to give the value in new line. This print will always try to join the outputs. This print will always try to print in new line because print always print in new line. So it will print below. Again, you go towards this. Again, you go towards this. Now, can you tell me what is the value of I? Now, can you tell me what is the value of I? Exactly, ba. I will become 2. Now, I is 2. You go inside. J is again, you meet J. J in range 1, 2. What is I? 2 plus 1 is 3. Can you tell me what will be the range of J? What will be the range of J? What will be the range of J? 1 and 2. Okay. When J becomes 1, I into J join. When J becomes 2, I into J join. So I into J, 2 into 1 is 2. You join when J will become. May code deka I already get. J will become 2. I into J. Again you join it. That will be 4. So you get 1 and 4. Right? Did you all get the concept? Okay. When J in range 1, I kilakane 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 to 3 kilakane 1 and 2. So J will become 1 and 2 here. Okay. J will become 1 and 2. J into I, when I is constant, it doesn't change. 2 into 1, 2. You join the output 2 into 2, 4. Why 2 into 2? Because J will get updated. J will repeat twice. By incrementing the value, it will get updated. ඊට පස්සේ මෙයා දෙපාරක් repeat වුණාම මෙතනට එනවා. This will print a space. He will go down. Okay. And you go up to the code again the last time. Now what is the value of I? 3. So it has 2 loops. 3. Okay. So for J in range, 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 to 4 kilokane 1, 2, 3. 1 to 4 kilokane 1, 2, 3. Same thing. Okay. End, join. So when I is constant, that's 3, J will be changing. 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9. So 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 9. The answer. Okay. 2 loops are there. Check it out. Valingicho. Valingicho. Ah, call Lipa. How many? What is the time? I didn't see the time also. At the time, why did you take 1 input for the first range but 2 input? Because it's 2 loop tane. You complete 1 loop, that's I එක කරලා, and then you go for J. So J will rotate out. But J will be rotating twice. J will be rotating twice. Did you get it? I ekavilla, it will become 1, and then you come down. When you come down, I will not update. J is a loop. J will rotate. Yeah, exit one to I return the Okay? Did you get the concept? End means it will join. Yes. If you put one, it will join with something. End will join. Any other questions? Zainab, okay with your done. So we can write those output in a single line, or should we write it line by line? Because Python it comes in a single line. We have to write it in line by line. ಈಕಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬರ್ಮ. Uh, so for each time, the number of inputs are increasing now without leaving it on. Yeah. Okay, yeah, because it's I plus, they are referring to the I, no. Each and entire I is getting updated. Guys, ask for questions. So can we get this passport series at physical class? Oh, this is on. Can we get the series at physical class? This is our Tuesday copy, Kappa. अबे Tuesday की दिन copy आता है मेरे. It's the passport question. We have both, Shamri. We have both. So can you explain me why did you put two variables in second J and 3? So which is hold on, I'm not getting your question. So in the J range, don't we need to add one? J range, do we need to? We add one only, we put it, pa. How did I get 4 here? When I became 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4. We add it. But ending minus 1, it will go 3 minus 1. Any other questions? Some questions I didn't understand. Can you all send a message again? Zaki, I didn't get your question. Shamri, we have both updated recording, pa. No problem in there. Any other questions, doubts? So why do we write it continuously? Because of the end statement. We do write because of the end statement. So I asked is what should we do with that I less than I? This is I plus one. 1 we have in the equation. It will be added pa. You add 1 to that I value. Why each time one number is increasing when finding the value? Because of this one. They increase the ending value also by 1. They increase when I is 1, they increase it 1 by 1. So they will ask us to find the output in MCQ. Okay, shall we go for the next question? Part 2. Many people have been waiting. Okay. Should I really do that 8A question? 8A question is a vowel like a library. Okay, when there is a vowel, it is just replacing. I want to do that bubble sort question with you guys. I want to do the bubble sort and the file handling. Okay, want to do the bubble sort and file handling. People who wants me to do that 8A also. 8A ka karaganda ba sir ma ek pichu adino sir. Sir 8A. Okay, so 8A that's library. Wherever you have an vowel, it will be. Okay. Shall I do it? So do all. D. മനസാക്ഷി ഇല്ല പോണക്ക്. I'll do the bubble sort question. Okay. ඊට පස්සේ අපි okay bubble sort එක කරලා ඒ question එක ඕන. Okay, will you be doing file? I want to do the file handling. I will be doing file handling now. Okay, yeah. If you guys have any idea to become a teacher, think about it again. If you want to become a teacher, yeah, it's blessing. But then it's really hard, if you don't sleep fast. Yeah. But okay, after all, everything in there, मैं उसको करला experience करके ना. Really happy to see, okay, in the market, lots of teachers are coming in. But then, okay, for teachers also, we should have a qualification, no? Seriously, ne? Okay. That should be some kind of a qualification for teachers also, especially. Okay. Everywhere you see a technician, you find a certified person, no? But then main industry के एक गुड़ा खचल लेना होता है, okay, to see that everybody is coming in. Okay, that's really good. Okay, as a competition, I need a competition in there. Okay, everyone are getting in there, but then standardization and okay, okay, it's easy. Okay, you just take something and then you come into the teaching. Just because you take it in there, a skill okay. Just because your father is really good in they're selling something, okay, doesn't mean that you can also do it. Okay, Medina. So be check it out a little bit. Okay, you have to get it through the experience also. Not, I'm not putting anyone down or something in there, but then just want to tell you all also. Okay, okay, even if you guys are planning to become a teacher or something in there, make sure you have expelled in that field, because teaching is something that you are responsible. Okay, you have to be responsible. ඔයාලට දන්නේ නැතුව කෙනෙක්ට කියලා දීලා okay අන්තිමට කසල් දෙ. Okay, you have to be responsible. That's really important. So every ICT teacher வந்தாலும் உங்களோட அடிச்சிக்கல் ஆள் இல்லை டேய் சும்மா இரியண்டா நீ வேற அவனை கொஞ்சம் நிறுத்துக்கடா யாராவது நிறுத்துங்கப்பா அவனை ஓகே ஸோ அது மாதிரி இருக்குது ஏகதீரா let's see okay I'll do 8B I'll do all three no problem okay but you'll stay with me that's enough okay yeah just ஷசானா பாருங்க நான் இப்போ ஷசானோட மெசேஜுக்கு ஒரு 1008 பாய்ஸ் வந்து ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறோண்டு ஓகே கைஸ் தி ஷஃபான் ஒரு கேர்ள் ரிப்ளை பண்ணா போதுமே எஸ் ஷாலினி எனி ப்ராப்ளம் ஷாலினி ஓகே ஷஃபான் இஸ் தேர் so I'll do 8 product interesting question akarmo it should be hard for me to discuss also okay so eka product here right what is this question the function below uses a bubble sort algorithm now what the hell is bubble sort algorithm okay is given this list of numbers in ascending order. Write down the suitable replacement for the label PU to complete the code. Are there? So what do you mean by the term bubble sort? Bubble sort technically we're going to discuss in there. So this sorting mechanism comes because of this command. If I have a list 1, 2, 5, sorry, 10, 2, 5, if I use a command called as x.sort, this will sort the answer as 2, 5, 10. This is what simply a sorting again. Make it sorting again. Sorting in the sense ascending order. Ek reverse what descending order. You know. Right? But then this sorting, how does it happen? Okay, there should be an algorithm, there should be a technique to sort it. Okay, just because you call it's a function. This is a function, no? Okay, like how do you create a function? D, E, F, F1, F2, F3, and this is a function, and this function will have a code, no? A algorithm bubble sorts. So to do this, we have bubble sort. Okay, quick sort. Okay, we have insertion sort. Kila, we have different techniques are there to sorting algorithm. Now, did you all get an overall description about what I do? Okay, so if I use the command, if I have a list that will have 10, 2, and 5, and if I run the command called as x.sort, where x is the list, dot sort kila run karot, it will become 2, 5, 10. Harine. Okay, it will become 2, 5, 10. Now that sorting, how is it happen? Kohamad mein sorting ek une. And that sorting ek algorithms tamai. We have plenty of algorithm. One of the algorithm is bubble sort. Today I'll teach you all 2 algorithms for you. Okay, in our upcoming class as well. I start algorithms kuda copy ganagamo. Okay, this is a small section in the syllabus, but not big. Copy sorting explain but this is the first time they have asked a question. So exam A-level papers are going in deeper, making you all really to study. Okay, not that it's just an exam. So men bubble sort algorithm okay, that I'll explain you first. It a code how to identify and figure it out how to do it. Okay, so how are we going to do it? We are going to do it in this way, right? Right. I'm going to talk about this bubble sorts. We'll tell, okay, we have around 3 people available. Okay, yeah. We have 3 people are there. Farhan is there. Okay. Anyone who is in the middle? Okay, we have, yeah, the high fives also can be taken. Oh, who is this? Long, short, long one. Akhil. Anonymous. Akhil. And then we have, I will say anyone, okay. I'll say any name. Okay, who is there? Who is there called the name? Okay, Sakhla is there. If Sakhla is there, okay, we have to have another person also. That's a different thing. So we have these 3 people. Tundine kinno. Okay, they're holding, okay, a paper or something. Maybe board. Okay, they're holding like this. Number 1. right? And there are three people in terms. Okay, in a school, okay, assembly, okay, if you wanted to sort them in height order, what is the first thing we do? We make sure that everyone's straight in straight line. Harne. Then what we do in this first one, what we do it is we tell, okay, look at your friend. If he is taller than you, stay like that. If he's shorter than you, okay, tell him to come to this side. Okay, look at your friend. Okay, if he's taller than you, okay, you stay like this. If he's not taller than you, tell him to come here. You swap it. That means in first thing he just look at this person, okay, and he do the sorting. In that manner, එහෙමනම්, if I do this part, okay, taller than කියලා part එකක් දැම්මොත්, these two people will be swapped. These two people will be swapped. So එහෙමනම්, by checking on 2 by 2 people, these two people will see. So I will say Akil, Shahla, Farhan. These two people will see Akil, Farhan, Shahla. Sorry. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න මොනවද කචල්ලුර. Okay. The shortest one should come here. So it will be like this. Shahla, Akil, Farhan. These two people will see. So it will be Shahla, Farhan, and Akil. Did you get the concept? ඒ කියන්නේ side by side බලා ගන්නවා. මෙහෙම බැලුවා. Next person. තීනි කට්ටද පොඟට. Okay. මචං நீ කට්ටද යඟට පො. Okay. மச்சான் நீ கட்டதானே வெளியே போ. டேய் நான் வெளியே வந்துட்டேன்டா. I'm out of the class. Okay. So if you come across in there, in that manner, one person will be completely sorted. Did you get the concept? By checking one by one, we found out that Akil is in the proper order. But still, is it sorted? Is it sorted? Is it sorted? Akil in the proper order, it is sorted. No. Did you all get the algorithm? Nathan, shall I explain it again? Algorithm mein tere no need for me to explain the code, no? How does this bubble sort happens? So is it the mostly asked lagatto? No, ma, there are a lot. I have to explain everything. Now I'll be going through. Okay. Shall I also explain it again? Okay. So let's assume in a school assembly. Okay. On a Monday, usually Mondays තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay. We are putting all the people in there. So we have all the people standing to be sorted in different order. So we have Farhan, we have Haifa, Shafan, everyone are there. So all these are kuchi war என்ன சரிக்குது அதுதான் மனுஷனுடா. Okay. Monday மட்டும் போட்டு வச்சிராங்க. Now we have to sort them in there. So what we do? Okay. What I say then? First thing is, okay, what I say them in there. First thing what I'll say is, you just look at your friend, and if that friend is taller than you, you swap. Okay, you look at your friend to the next side. If that person is taller than you, you swap. එහෙම swap කරලා, okay, එහෙම swap කරලා. For an example, if I have this way කියලා ගමුකෝ. මෙන්න මෙච්චරයි ඉන්නේ. You check these two. I'll say them A, B, C, D. This person is shorter now. You will have B, A, C, D. Did you all understand? And then this person too will check who is the shortest. So you will have B, A. Sorry, these two people will check. A and C. That's completely fine. D. These two people will check. You have B, A, D, C. In here, we know C is the tallest, first tallest, and he will be sorted in the first round. In the first cycle, he will be sorted. Did you get it? තේරුණාද මේක? එයා වෙල first line එක sorted. තාම sort වෙලා නැහැ. Okay? තාම sort වෙලා නැහැ. Now, how do I have the list? B, somewhat shorter. A, D, and I have C. See, now I have found the tallest in there. Did you get it? Second line ne කියනකොට ආයෙ check කරන්න කියනවා. මේ දෙන්න check කරගන්න. So who is he? BADC. මේ දෙන්න check කරොත් let him be like that. මේ දෙන්න check කරොත් okay, D should come. So BDAC. මේ දෙන්න check කරොත් this is completely fine. So now BDAC. Now by looking at this algorithm, we can identify that now two people have sorted. Okay, that is, this person is the first highest, this person is the second highest. See, තේරුණාද concept එක තේරුණාද? So if I have people, I can take those people and show in a beautiful example, but මෙතන කරන්න බෑ. Okay, අන්න ඒ වගේ තමයි concept එක යන්නේ. Okay, shift කරලා යනවා. I'll try to get something. Okay, I don't have any material or something to show it to you all, and visually over on a pin and again can't go through in there. Right. Shortest. Pencils කරන්න පුළුවන් යා. Got the concept? So we have to do it again and again and again and again. Did you get it? Right? So if I keep it on in terms of markers also, I have to compare with this only. If I have markers like this way, if I wanted to sort it out, you check these two. Move kotai nang එහෙම තියෙනවා. Then you took these two. මෙහෙම ගත්තා. See? It will be like this. So you took 2 by 2 by 2. Until it is sorted, it will keep on running. That's it. Now, next thing we have to find how many times it will run. Okay. The next thing is we have to know how many times it will run. That's the next thing in there. Okay. So, tikiri mole use කරලා කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? When I have 4 people, when I did 2 times, okay, when I have 4 people, okay, when I have 4 people, when I do the repetition 2 times, 2 people were sorted. Now, how many times should I do it? තව එකපාරක් කරොත් ඇතිනේ. Okay. 1 repetition sort 1 person. 2 repetition will sort 2 person. 3 repetition will sort 3 person. I don't need to sort the 4th one because by default he will be sorted. Okay. If there are 4 people, okay, 1 repetition will sort the first person. Second repetition will sort the second person. Third repetition will sort the third person. Antim ekkana mata karanna onne. Did you get it? Nabiha not 8. Did you get the concept? Terna. So that comes on the number of repetitions I have to do. How many repetitions should I do it? That's also something is there. And number of passes uttino. Concept is another. That's what we call it as a bubble sort. Bubble sort එක මොනවද වෙන්නේ? Okay, you compare and keep on sorting. මේක තමයි bubble sort concept එක. Okay. I'm trying to, okay, explain with some kind of an example, but I don't have anything at mind. Okay, I don't have it anything. So that's bubble sort. Clear? Any questions? තේරුණාද අය අහන්නකෝ. Okay. First, let's learn the technique. We'll take some time and we'll take the technique. Okay, we'll learn the technique and we'll go through one by one. First of all, questions තිබොත් අහන්නකෝ. Sir, මට තේරුන්නේ නැහැ sir අත්‍තරම. It's okay, we'll do it. Okay. Why don't we go with an example? Okay, I'm not feeling satisfied until I show something and do it an example. Okay, I don't feel satisfied. Hold on. I know my table will be messy in there, but still, okay, yeah. Ha, we're going into a table. Sakaboom. Ho ho ho. Right. Happy. I'm not still feeling happy. Okay, I have to do a practical and show it here. Done. Done. Ah, done. Mm-hmm. Is it this order? Ah, even two we want. Anything else? വീട്ടിലിരുള്ള തൂയിലൊന്ന് പൂടുൻ. Ha. Yart. Done. Sir, Poden, sir. Okay. Learn with Maestro. Yeah. Get everything is missed. Okay. It's kind of completely missed, but but it's all right. Api code decker. Okay. So I have three elements are there. Okay. I have three elements available. Now, my question is it sorted? May tundana sorted at other. Is it sorted? Ta-tang. Is it sorted? No, it's not been sorted. In bubble sort, what we do it is we take two at a time. I'll take this person also. This is our Farhan and Zainab. Okay. In every page we okay. Now let's count the number of, I'll say, passes and number of swaps. Right. Passes and swap. Number of elements. मैं उसको mark करेगा मु. Okay. You are learning with Maestro, don't worry, okay? We are doing it today. मैं उसको मैडम ने. Ha. Okay, yeah. Being a okay. இது மண்டே ஒரு நாள் நான் உடைக்கிறேன் எப்படி okay. Okay, let's go through. One more. This is okay, right. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so we have these couple of materials. Are there? Okay. First thing is okay. Says this what a white sir. What a sir. Okay. Right. Okay. So if you come across in there, we have it in it. In bubble sort, what happen is two people will see each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. They will swaps. We will call it a swap. Okay. Step. How many elements are there? How many elements do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So element is 5. Harane. Agande. Another concept. Right. Okay. Are these two Manali Kanda way? We are sorting in height order. We want to take it. Are these two in the correct order? Yes or no? Okay. Are they in the correct order? Again, Medinage height order haride. Medinage height order haride. Yes. He's shorter, he's taller. Completely fine. Do you need to do a swap? No. Okay, you don't need to do a swap. Are these two in the correct order? Are they in the correct order? No. We had to do a swap. Ha. They're not. Are these two in the correct order? No. Okay. Take this out. Swap. Swapping okom pasikiradu na. Are these two in the correct order? No. Swap. Ha. So did you get it? When I do this bubble sort, in the first round, one person is sorted. In the first round, one person is sorted. In the first pass, how many swaps did you do? 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 swaps. Check kara. Did you get the concept? Did you get the concept? Nothing. But okay, nothing. मैं move. अभी passes के लिए मैं steps के लिए क्या मेरा passes ना था cycle के लिए क्या ना profession है. Now should I search it again or is it the sorted? Should I check it again or is it the sorted? I have to do it again. No, did you get the concept? So what do you mean by passes? That is, should I do it again? Like how many times should I check whether is it sorted? That's what we call it as okay. That's what we call it as Manadi the sorting. So passes in the sense check. How many times? So ekapara check kara, we got the highest. I have to check it again. Do I need to do it again? Yes, exactly. So made it now. Okay. Okay. Very idea for one day. Is it? Is it? Should I do a swap? Should I do a swap? Yes. Thong, thong, thong. Now these two. Should I do a swap? Yes. Thong, thong, thong. Should I do a swap? Thong, thong, thong. Should I do a swap here? No. So when I do the second pass, second check, how many are sorted? Out of 5 elements, how many are sorted? 2 are sorted. Okay. At the moment, 2 are sorted. For you all, it's 3, but then 2 are sorted here. Now it's almost in the correct height order. Like okay, the main example is the height order. Now it's all are sorted now. Okay. But then okay, I have to go through in another example. Okay. Happy put the kanja bajal kar lagamo. Okay. Okay. Put in there because now fine. Right. I'll do it restart again. Hurry number of passes and 5 elements are there. Let's do the first check. In the first check, he will be not sorted. He will come here. He will come here. This is the first check. Eh? He will come here. Okay. Very Monday in the quarter chin on Monday or so did you hit it in there? So this is the first check. First check I did 1, 2, 3, 4 swaps kara. Swap fatrak balua. Okay. We are good to go. Now the second one. Medenna. Hari. Medenna. Now did you see? In the second swap, 2 are sorted. Did you get it? When I do the second pass, 2 are sorted. In the first pass, 1 is sorted. In the second pass, 2 are sorted. Should I do a pass again? Should I do a pass again? Yes. Check these two. Check these two. Okay. Wow, my bite. Check these two. No need. Check these two. No need. Now did you get it? In the third pass, I got 3 sorted. See, these 3 are sorted. Okay. Should I do a pass again? Should I do a pass again? Yes. Check these two. Check these two. Check these two completely. I'll leave the video. Okay. Okay. These two. So when I do 4 passes, it's all completely sorted. Did you get the concept? Then a concept. So if I have 5 elements, how many passes do I need to do to sort it everything? If I have 5 elements, how many passes should I do? 4. How many swaps do I need to do? How many swaps do I need to do? Okay, 4. Okay, 1 element n minus 1 exactly. මේක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. මේවත් අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාට ඕන නම්. This also can be changed. Okay? This also can be changed. කොහොමද? Okay, this also can be changed. It is like this. Now see here. Okay? In the first pass, you need to do 4 swap. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first pass, I have to do 4 swap. Okay? I have to do 4 swap. In the second pass, 1, 2, 3. In the second, I need to only do 3 because this is already sorted. Move balan don't ne. Did you get the concept? You can also do it that way. I can completely put 4. එහෙම නැත්තම් I don't need to check. තුනක් යන්න පුළුවන්. Did you get the concept? Move බලන්න ඕනේ. In the second pass. Okay? In the third pass, these two, 1, 2. I don't need to check these two because it's already sorted. Did you get the concept? What I'm trying to say? So in the third pass, 2. In the fourth pass, only 1. Did you get this also? So we have 2 ways to do it. Number 1, you can do it by completely giving 4 number of swaps. එහෙම නැත්නම් you can reduce the number of swaps also. Did you all get the concept? Did you all get the concept? තේරුම් නැත්නම් අහන්න මේක තේරුම් නෑ සර් මේ මොනවද සර් මෙතන කරේ? Okay, what the hell did you do it sir? In the beginning, I checked 4 times. Okay, that's one method. That's also correct. I also went on with another method by reducing the number of values. So the second method, can you say? People who didn't understand this one, මේක තේරුම් නැති අය. First one 4, ඒක හරිනේ. 4 පාරක් swap කරන්න. මේ දෙන්න, මේ දෙන්න, මේ දෙන්න, මේ දෙන්න. බලලා එන්න ඕනේ. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, அது பிச்சு எடுத்து தலை எடுத்து பிச்சுன்னு தின்றலாம். Okay, anybody who didn't understand the second one that I did, this swapping part, anybody who didn't get it? Anybody who didn't get it? Okay, one student is there telling, so I didn't understand. Okay, another one. This is not a night lamp. This is Sambarani. Da Sambarani. Okay. What is this? This is for all kinds of tablets. Sleeping tablets and everything. Okay. You have vitamin tablets and everything. Why the hell am I showing? Even I have no idea why the hell I'm showing. And what is this? My sweet. The yard pendulator. Okay, right. Anybody who didn't understand second one? Okay, I explain කරන්න එකපාරක් අලගන්න. Okay, we'll take this bugger here. Okay, we'll take this bugger here. Even inga tongala போட்டாதான் answer சரி வருது. Okay, so now check it out. Is it sorted? I'm explaining the second one. Okay, is it sorted? No. Okay, is it sorted? Okay. Okay, okay, I'm just okay, I just wanted to torture this as much as possible. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, so this is okay, boys. Ta-da-da-da-da. Okay, anyone who can do an edit and send it to me. Okay, boys doesn't like toys. Boys have no feelings. Okay, so if you come across in there, this is what we have it, not sorted at all. So let's go with the pass. The first pass I'm doing here. Okay, I have to do a swap. 1, No, I do 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first pass, I have to check 4 times. One will be sorted. Do you all agree? Okay. I'm explaining for Mashuda. Mashuda, reply in there. Okay. In the first pass, I'm checking it 4 times so that one is getting sorted. Okay. Right. Is it sorted? No, I have to do it again. No. So I had the second pass. One, no, 1, 2, 3. I can only do 3 times. I don't need to do 4 times because this is already sorted. In the second pass, 2 elements are sorted. I have to only check it 3 times. තේරුණාද මේක? Because මේ දෙන කොහොමත් sort වෙනවනේ. කොහොමත් sort වෙලානේ තියෙන්නේ මෙයා බලන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. So number of steps I can reduce it. Steps are also reducing. Okay. Passes are increasing, steps are reducing. Okay. In the third pass, 1, 2, 2 times is enough. Why? These two are already sorted. These two are already sorted. I don't need to see it. Okay, exactly, Shafan. Okay, these two are already sorted. So I have only this third. In the fourth pass, only one is enough. Why? Sorted. 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 මේ තුන් දෙනා sort වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද? මූව බලන්න ඕනේ නැහැ මට. Okay, මේ දෙන්න විතර බැලුවත් ඇති. Got the concept? Okay. Finally, did you all understand? I put so much of effort in explaining this part. Okay. Okay, I think it's the pain or something. Yeah. Elisa. Did you get it? Content ready in a childhood. See, this is like, okay, look, how many of you are like, okay, you need order like it. Okay, it should not break it. It should break it by itself. Okay, I'll keep the things. Let's go through the next part. Finally, if you all understood, I'm really happy, pa. If it's a flower, I would have plucked it. Okay. Pichi, 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 while important pin deep in flower if it's a flower. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's it, you're single. Shafan. Killed it, pa. You killed it. Okay, let's go through the next one. So, if I have 4 elements, can you tell me the number of passes? If I have 4 elements, can you tell me the number of passes, the number of steps? If I have 5, I have 4 passes. If I have 4 elements, I will have 3 passes. And the number of steps will be 3, 2, 1. Did you get the concept? Did you get the concept? Therunad. Sanjay Han. I don't know what is it. Shah Rukh Khan. Sanjay Han. Did you understand in Hindi? Yeah. Sanjay Han. Sanjay Han, Shah Rukh Khan. You don't know. Okay. So now code diagram. Samjhe. Exactly. Samjhe. Samjhe Han Ban Nami Samjhe. Okay. Samjhe he. Shafam Poyena. Why the? Okay. If you understand it, The code is much more easy for me to explain. Okay. I think this is the only online classroom you're staying for a longer time like this, sir. Okay. Longer time में किन्नो आतर लेके आगे ना online classroom. Okay. आतर लेके आगे नहीं ना समझे समझे बहुत समझे. What? Okay. Yeah. समझे ही ना. Okay. I'll write the code until then. அவனை எங்க அவனை கண்டுபிடிச்சு அவனை அனுப்பி ஐ நோ நவ் வை த ரீசன் ஃபாதர்ஸ் டு கெட் ஆங்கிரி நோ இவனை நான் கொல்லாம விட்டுறேன் இவனை நான் கொல்லுவேன் இன்றைக்கு லைக் ஃபாதர் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி டைம் தே லுக் அட் யூ தே கெட் ஆங்கிரி அது ஹைப் ஆயிடுவான் தானே இவனை நான் இன்றைக்கு இவனை என்ன கொண்டுட்டு இவனை நான் இன்றைக்கு கொண்டேன் how did you understand why fathers do get angry okay it's a feeling you won't understand okay right so there is a definition DEF. Mm. End list. Yeah. Shall we go through the code? Karamada. Any questions before that? What is the third type of sort? Bubble sort, insertion sort, and quick sort. Insertion sort. Wow. Okay. Now let's break it down one by one. So in this breaking down, DEF another. It's a function. Hey, it's a function. This function has the name and this function has the parameter. Okay. This is the function called as DEF. Ashok, I'll check it. Put back in there. Okay. And then there is a name of the function called as name. So bubble sort. And then there is something called as a parameter in list. Okay. It's like Shafan Tongue. Okay. Nice. There is a repetition that goes. We need to do 2 repetition. Number 1 repetition for the number of passes and number of sweeps. So we have to initiate a repetition for both of that. Okay. In here, passes and it is P number. Obviously, the dotted line will be for the swap. Okay. For P number, it's like a variable in range, starting, ending, -1 step. So, on what basis do we identify the number of passes? On what basis do you identify the number of passes? I had that, okay, the toy thing, the sambarani thing, the medicine thing, and then couple of things are there. No? I had around 5 elements. Okay. Yeah, exactly. I had 5 elements, the number of passes is 4. I had 6 elements, the number of passes will be 5. If I have 10 elements, the number of passes will be 9. The number of passes is determined based on what? Number of elements, exactly. Did you get it? Okay, if I have 10 items, 9 passes. 20 items, 19 passes. 29 items, कितना passes था? 29 items, 28 passes. Very good. Okay, nice. Did you get the concept? Clear now? Okay, so the number of passes is determined by the number of elements, and that number of passes will be what? Number of elements minus 1. Harade. Harade. 10 elements on 9 times. 5 elements on 4 times. 6 elements on 5 times. Do you all agree with that? Do you all agree with me? Yes or no? Any questions? Eka තේරුණාද? Eka තේරුණාද? Happy. එතකොට මේ list එකේ number of elements කොහොමද ගන්නෙ? How can I take the number of elements in a list? There is a function. If I call that function, it will tell number of elements available. What function would return the number of elements? What is that function name that would return the number of elements? Okay, what is the function name that would return the what is the function name that will return the number of elements? If I call that function, it will return the number of elements. We have to know the number of elements. So what is that function? Count will count the number of values. Count winners. We'll go for count also. Anything else? போவாம் வருது எனக்கு நல்லா இப்போ போவாம் பிசு பிசு செட் ஆக்கினா that is we have len and is it visible appa Allah. Huh. Okay, count will count the number of terms, number of elements. If I say count A, it will say how many times A are available. Count will count the number of terms. Len will count the number of elements. Okay, I'll do a quick Python script and show it to you all also. So we are back in Python. I know it has become mess. So we have the my list now. If I say len my list, it will give you that this my list has 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will count the number of, okay, my list. If I say my list dot count 3, it will return how many times 3 are available. 3 are available 2 times. It's a sublist, no, it won't check. Okay, it won't check in here. මෙයාව check කරන්න මේක sublist එකක් කියන එයා check කරන්නේ මෙයා උඩින් තමයි check කරන්නේ. So 2 times. Did you all get the concept? තේරුණාද? mush කලින්සා. So which one should I use according to this question? Which one should I use it? According to this question, which one should I use it? Should I use count? Or should I use Which one should I use? I should use len. So let's use len. Okay. So we have to find the length that will give you in there. Length will be, so if I use len in list would give you this -1. Is this my starting value or the ending value? Is it my starting value or ending value? Ending value. So what is my starting value then? What is my starting value? Is it my starting value, ending value? So I can start with 0. Yeah. I can start with 1. No problem. අපි අයි නිකන් පිස්සු අතල් ගන්න නැතුව අපි normal 1 එකෙන් යන්න. If I start with 1, you can say len in list. අපි බලමු ඈ. And then you add 1. Okay. By default, for loop will reduce once. දන්නවනේ. By default, for loop will reduce 1. So, if I have 5 elements, I have to repeat 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. හරනේ. If I'm starting with 1, I have to write it like this. If I'm starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, it should end in 3. Now, in a for loop, if I say 1, 4, it will go from 1 to 3. Do you all know it? Okay. If I say 0, 4, it will go from 0 to 3. How many values are there? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Did you all get the concept? If there is 0 again පටන් ගත්තොත් in -1, 1 again පටන් ගත්තොත් just write it -2. 0 again පටන් ගත්තොත් in -2. Now it's as if elements කියනවා මට 4ක්. If I start in 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. If I start in 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. එතකොට this is element -1. This is element -2. Did you all get the concept? තේරුණාද මේක? Ending value එක මම කියන්නේ. I'm telling the ending value. Okay. Okay. WhatsApp group. Check it. Ma, who is that dog, ma? Any admins are there in that group? I don't know. Should I be really checking that now? It's okay. Some dogs are there now. Should I? It's okay. I'll pass it. Ah. Okay. I'll just focus on the possible meter. Okay. Just because the dog. It's a foreign number. Should I check it? What again? WhatsApp එකත් මේ වෙලා. What again එන්න? Admin came in now. Then fine. See, Mr. Black comes in a even I think he has come. Okay. That's all good. Okay. හරි. එතකොට මෙයා තේරෙනවද මේක ඔයගලන්ට ending value එක? එතකොට මම 1 පටන් ගත්තොත් by default for loop will go -1. Okay. By default the for loop will go -1. So you don't need to say -1. But if I start from 0, I have to say -1. Did you all understand that? Because I had to subtract 2. So why say මෙතන 2 දාලා නැද්දේ? Because for loop will by default will subtract 1 no. For loop if I say 0 to 5 it will go from 0 to 4. By default it will subtract 1. So a හින්දා අපි එල නිකන් යමු 1 to 1. මෙයාම තේරුණාද මෙතන? before going for the next part. This is step. That's one. That's step one. Understood? Clear? The concept. Okay. The next one is the number of. So we can use both. Yeah. Right. Now, if I have 4 elements, I'll repeat it again. Make it again. Okay. Few are there who is asking doubts. I'll do it again. Okay. If I have 4 elements, how many times should I repeat? How many passes should I go? 3. If I'm starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, element minus 1. The ending value will be 4 minus 1. If I start from 0, 0, 1, 2, I have to go till 2 only. Sorry, I have to go till 2. 0, 1, 2. That means element minus 2. 0, 1, 2. If I go 3, 3, 4 elements now, 3 times I have to do it. So 1, 2, 3. N minus 1. Element minus 1. If I start in 0, 0, 1, 2. 0 to 2. Element minus 2. The ending value will be element minus 2. Did you all understand this? This is determining the ending value. Okay. For loop by default will do subtracting 1. For loop will subtract 1 by default. Okay. So if I say 1, n list is enough because he will reduce by 1 automatically. But if I say 0, I have to subtract 2. I have to subtract 2. So you can 1 I 1. By default, for loop will reduce 1. Methane reduce dekak. See, dekak reduce only. So he will reduce 1. By default, the for loop also will reduce 1. Did you get the concept? There another. Alhamdulillah. Right. Next one is the number of swap. Number of swap. Okay. There are 2 answers for that. If I have 5 elements, 4 swap directly. If I have 5 elements, I can reduce 1 by 1 by 1. Okay. If I have 5 elements, okay, if I have 5 elements, 4 swap. I can keep on reducing 1 by 1 by 1. Did you all get the concept? That is like this. Okay. When I have these are the passes kill him. Passes leave. Passes and check. So 3, 2, 1 now. 4 elements on 3, 2, 1. Here 3. Here 2. Okay. 2 passes. Checks. Did you all get it? Swap kare api. Okay. When I have 3 elements, 3 passes, so 3 elements now 2 passes, swaps will be 2 and then 1. Okay. And reduce will no. Okay. Yeah, reduce will no. Swaps will be that is number of passes minus 1. It will always reduce 1 by 1. So I can say 4. I'm using this I know. I in range. For I in range, how do I go? I'll say this ending value. Now, for an example, it's like this. Up here, a previous question. So now we are coming for this now. Baland passes swaps. I had the first pass. Can you remember the one? We did 4 swap. Second pass, 3 swap. Third pass, 2 swap. Fourth pass, 1 swap. Did you get it? I had 5 elements, 4 swap, and that began with 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get the concept? Or simply 4 swap. Okay. Or you can go with 4 swap. Either way you can go. Math karana puluwan, math karana puluwan. Mega ternada. Mama yawala kare deparak wage. Okay. So if I have 5 elements, number of elements are 5, 5 elements nang First pass එකේ 4 swap කරන්න ඕනේ. Second pass එකේ only 3 because 1 will be already sorted. Third pass එකේ only 2 need to be swapped. Fourth pass එකේ එකක් කරොත් ඇති. So here the starting value is what? 4. Starting value will be 4. The ending value will be 1. Did you get the concept? තේරෙනවද? The starting value will be 4. The ending value will be what? Starting value will be 4. The ending value will be 1. So you can go in that way also. That is basically what is the range from 1 to 4 or 4 to 1. Either way you can do it. Okay, either way you can go through in there. So basically make a number of swaps should be reduced each and every time. So for I in range, what I can say, okay, in I in range, we'll go with the number of swaps. No, okay, I'll start with from the first element, that is 0, comma len in nest, okay, then -1. Check whether you all have got this. So for I in range 0 to len in -1. Okay, len in -1. So that is the number of, this is for the passes. This is for the swaps. This is for the passes and that is for the swaps. Yeah, if you put 1, len in, and len in -1. Len in -1. Okay. Len in minus. If you put 1, len in -1. Either way. Okay. So if the first element is greater than second element now, if the first element is bigger than the second element, you have to do a swap. If the first element is bigger than the second element, if this first element I plus 1, the second element, common maker, if the first element and the second element, first element I plus 1, second element, if the first element 7 is bigger than the second element, now you have to do the swap. කොහොමද swapping කරන්නේ? You can't take this and put it here, you can't take this and put it here. What they do it is temp equal n list I. N list I is this, the first element. They copy this to a temp. Temp කියලා variable එකට copy කරගන්නවා. Okay, that is I can't swap it. If I want to change the place, I say, hey, can you go out? එයාව පොඩ්ඩක් එළියට ගිහලා I sit and then he comes and sit. If I'm giving a seat in a bus, okay, I come out from my place, let him go inside and then I go. නැත්තම් ඔඩක් වෙදම ඉන්න වෙන්නේ. Remember Ashok? Okay, in this scenario, what you do? You copy this here, you copy this here, so he will become 4. You take this here, he will become 7. Did you get it? You copy this here, you send this one here, replace it here, and then you replace this with this. එහෙම තමයි swap කරන්නේ. So what you do it is, you take the value of this, copy it to temp. Let's do this one. So how it will do? You take the value of this, copy it to this. So I can say n list I equal to n list I plus 1. You take the value of this, copy it to this. Okay, you take the value of this, copy to this. ඊට පස්සේ you take the value of this, copy to this. That is temp එකේ තියෙන value එක n list මොනවාටද යන්නේ? I plus 1. I plus 1. I I check whether you all have got this one. And which part you didn't understand? Survey part want to. Okay. If I make things clear also, if I number it like 1, 2, 3, it's like this. I have two elements, I and I plus 1. Let's say in 7 and 4, if this is greater. Okay. In number 1, what I do it is, I take him to temp. Make a number 1. This is number 1. Number 1, I take the value of in list, I copy it to temp. What is number 2? Number 2 is I take the value of in list, I plus 1, copy it to this. This is number 2. This will become 4. What is number 3? I take the value of Tim, copy to this. And this is number 3. So 1, 2, 3. So in I loop, okay, if we don't use the 1, you put, I don't, what's the other one we use? This is here, meata. Patlagandepa. This is for this. You mean that one, Ketingama? Yeah, even if you use enlist, that's also completely fine because it will go with 1, no? It should go 1. That's for the other method. We had 2 methods, no? You repeat it, you do 4 swaps all the time, or you reduce the swap in 1 by 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you have 2 types, no? Swaps. One is you do 4 swap every time. Nathang, you do 3 swaps. With 3 swaps, we can get the answer also. So will the I value 4 be mapped to temp at last in place of 7? Yes, pa. Mushfika, did you understand, pa? Okay. ரெண்டு ஆன்சர் இருக்குது 4 தடவை always swap பண்ணி கேளும். That's what we did it in class. Here, the other method. That's what I was teaching the other method. The other method is you only do 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. A couple of questions. The loop by default starts from 0. If you don't mention the value, it will be by default starting from 0. If you have mentioned the value, it will start from whatever the number you have given. So why did you put 1 for R? Because it's the step ma. Step kirikane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of passes you have to keep on increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I put -1, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it will subtract. Step step whether you increment or decrement. That's the value you have it in there. Okay, good. I hope that's it for today. Okay, we have 2 more questions to be discussed, but hopefully in our next session, I will be also discussing 2022 past paper questions, Dala. I will also come to an end of past papers. So this is going to be continuous. This is going to be consistent. Hopefully, okay, I will also do the the file handling and the question, and also under the 2022 will continue in it. So even though if I'm charting chapters, so it's a new airdrop where we are starting a database management system in online and all physical centers. We are starting networking for juniors in all physical and online centers. In revision classes, we are starting information system, especially in Dehiwala, and also in Colombo, Grandpass and Kandy networking Patangano. So lots of things are also coming up. Okay, so and also lots and lots of online classes are also being conducted. Okay, believe in yourself, trust in yourself. You can do it. Yes, it's hard, but then okay, regret of pain is more beautiful than regret of uh your laziness, whatever you have taken. So much love. A lot of Kawal. Take care. Had a nice time with you guys. Okay. Hopefully, I think you have explained you are well. Okay. Keep spreading the word. Yeah, Allah bless you. Take care. Much love. Nale pakalam.